Feed the little babies, Asante. Feed the little babies. Well, they scurry over there. Well, she got 3 feeding? You're such a good mommy. Oh, make it easy for them.
And I bought the formula. I thought, you know.
Oh, in case?
Feed them.
In case the well went dry?
I didn't want it. And it's so expensive.
Wake up your other babies. Wake up the other babies. Aww.
It's alright. 3 at a time.
She's keeping that eye on me. Look at that eye. Well, they're going to town. You wouldn't even be able to tell they were Yorkies if you didn't see the mama. Well, that was pretty cute. Squeaky. Yeah, but she's answering her baby's cry. Get your baby, she's hungry. Oh, look, it's making its way over to her. I'll crawl over all you guys if I have to.
Have to go eat.
Take the long way around. Oh, it's break time?
They have a very strong sense of smell.
I suppose. Oh, look.
They can't see, but they know where the mom is. When did they open the eyes?
About a week.
Well, that wasn't smart.
She knocked it right back over. Start over. I want to see her pick one up.
What are you doing?
Oh, she's going to pick it up, I think. Don't make too much noise, it distracts her.
Okay, that one under.
Just hung on.
Eating it.
Oh.
I'm not done.
Mommy, get back here.
Quit taking the tray away.
What is she trying to do? Pick it up?
Whisk them up. All of them. So
Oh, she wants, because she's gorged and she wants them to empty her, because then she'll refill. Asante, they're squeaking. Feed them.
Lay down, Asante.
Mommy, feed your babies. Oh.
Lay down. Lay down.
Hi, Asante. You're a good mommy.
Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down, Asante. Here, here, here. Everybody?
Everybody, ciao.
There. Lay down. You're too far.
Bon appetit. Or is it bon appetit?
Why is she pushing this one away?
Yeah, you can't push one away. Was that the black sheep?
Maybe that's the one that's been feeding.
Yeah.
So the baby's daddy only gets one?
Mhm.
Push it on in there. Aww. Buffet.
Mhm.
All you can eat.
All you can eat. Freestyle.